So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the indent on the Google Docs mobile application. So if you were to open up Google Docs right here and you just were to go ahead and type in like indent, right, indent, whatever, it's not going to have much of an indent. If you want to change this, press where you want to add the indent, slide this middle bar to the right to where there's these two options where the arrow is facing left, arrow is facing right. If you want to increase the indent, you can go ahead and press it this way. If you want to decrease the indent, you can go ahead and do it this way. Another way you can do it as well is to go to the far right, press the A with the underline. Then there's a bunch of different options right here. You can select once again, do the exact same thing this way, and basically play around with it that way. So that is how to edit the indent on the Google Docs mobile application. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.